Bending or curving manhood, is it healthy or is it unhealthy? That is it good or is it bad? So make sure that you watch this video from the beginning to the very end to know whether bending or curving manhood is good or is not good. But before I proceed, my name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. So in case if you are new on this channel, you want to know more about men, natural ways to keep men, consider to subscribe, hit the like button and turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. Bending or curving, is it healthy for your manhood or not? But what is bending? Bending can be when your manhood bend inward or outward. It can be bending. Curving is when it changes its direction. So anyone you have, whether bending, curving, or even straight, anyone you have, it is healthy. It is good. But on one occasion, if you have erection and you experience pain, that is when you will know that it is unhealthy. But on how you have a good erection and there is no pain, it is normal. You don't need to bother yourself for anything. You don't need to be, or you don't need to panic. Sorry, you don't need to panic. You don't need to think that something is wrong. No. Every man on earth must have one particular shape. That shape, it can be either straight, bending, or curving. So anyone you have, it is safe, it is healthy, and it is good. But it is only going to be unhealthy when you have pains, when it gets erect or erected. When it stands, you get pains. That is when you will know that it is not good. So if you experience pain, you experience some miscomfort, or you are not okay when it gets erect, the best thing is for you to go for immediate attention, or you go for your healthcare provider to give you guidelines and for proper checkup and diagnosis to know the exact thing that caused that pain in your manhood. So if you want to stay safe, anytime you have pains when you have erection, the best thing is for you to go for checkup. But there is no man that will experience pain during erection. You will only have pains during erection when there is problem. And if there is no problem, nothing like pains. So whether bending or straight or curving, anyone you have, you must be safe and it is good. There is no problem with that. So that is it for today's video, and that is what I want to share in today's video. If you get value from watching this video, hit the like button, subscribe to be a member of this channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. Thank you for stopping by. Like and share this video to your friends and families. See you in my next video. I wish you good luck. Bye for now.